Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to design any of the lizard men, can be in any gender or any of the body shapes, and make this lizard man to become your main avatar or any of the NPC in your Unreal Engine game project. So now I'm going to show you step by step. First, you must have the character creator tree. This is a character creator 3.4. By default, once you open this software, this is the default avatar. In order to create any of the lizard men, you have to click here and click project, click the template. Next, you click the base. Under the base here, you can choose any of the avatar here. This is called the base shape. For example, if I want to create a lizard man with this body shape and face, I can just double click and open it and click replace all and wait for a while. Now it is loading. Now it finished loading already. Next, you have to click skins, go to the skins here and click the first one, the overall. Then you have a special. Go to the special and go to the essential skin here, and you drag down. You should be able to find a special lizard. This is the skins. You double click, then it will apply the skins, and you need to wait for a while until it finishes loading. Now it will ask you a question. To apply the material, both the three of it you can take together and click apply. Now you can see, you see it immediately change the whole body skin to become a lizard man with the exactly same face at there. And now, just have a look. The lizard man. Now you can give him some clothes or some shoes. For example, I want to give a cloth. I click here. I click the shirt, and I will give him a shirt. Let's say I give him a biker vest, and I will give him an underwear. I click here. I will choose an underwear for him. Let's say this, the boxer. Now I can give him a shoes as well, or I don't want to give him a shoes. It's okay. Its shoes is set here, but for this time I don't want to give him a shoes. Now, once done already, you must make sure you already open the iClone 7, and in your character creator tree, you click here, send character to iClone, click here, and wait for a while. Wait in the iClone. Now it is loading. Alright, now it already finished transfer to iClone 7. It's your time to transfer it to Unreal Engine. Now this lizard man is in iClone 7. You must make sure that your iClone 7 is already installed. The iClone Unreal Live Link plugin. This is a plugin iClone Unreal Live Link. Set here. Next, in your Unreal Engine game project, you must make sure you already installed iClone Unreal Live Link plugin as well. And you also open the Unreal project that already completed with iClone Unreal Live Link. Next, you back to the iClone 7. In your iClone 7, you need to name this avatar. You back to the scene here. The avatar name is the male Africans. You double click it and rename it as Lizard Man 01. For example, this is the name. Then you go back to iClone Unreal Live Link. You see, this is the avatar, the character. Make sure you untick everything first. And now you only want to tick the Lizard Man 01. This is the only thing that you are going to tick. And you click here, the setting. Make sure you untick here, place assets in scenes. Then close. Finally, you can transfer it already. You can just click transfer file. Click the transfer file, and now wait in Unreal Engine here. Do not do anything. You have to wait until it finish transfer from iClone to Unreal Engine here. Just need to wait for a while. Now, once it finish transfer, it will automatically pop up at here. Now it done. It is under the contents, Reallusion contents, lizard man 01. This is the avatar's name. So now we are going to make this lizard man avatar, lizard man 01, to become the main avatar. Oops, here you have a little bit problems. Later we are going to check it. What happened to here? Check in iClone. So most probably this is a loading error. And where is the biker vest? Alright. So now I temporarily close it first. Close it. Save the selected. And then I open again the Unreal project to see whether the biker vest is still there or not. Sometimes you need to restart. Now I reopen again my project, and let's see. Alright, now done. We check again the lizard man. The biker vest. The biker vest material is at here. Alright, now once you try to change the material, it can be loaded. Now just wait for a while. It is loading.